What's going on, YouTube? It's Mark, the Mercado channel, back with a video with the little hero, MJ.
The sun is super bright.
Very bright. Mwah.
So, in today's video, we are going to be doing some dumpster diving.
Oh, womp, womp, womp.
You like it.
Dumpster diving. She loves it. I won't be doing anything. I'll be recording. And, yeah. But,
anyways, so as you'll see in the video, we found a couple of things. We've only done it twice so far, and we haven't had the best of luck, but as other people on YouTube say, you got to go like every day for a little bit to see when's the best day to go to the dumpster. And some of you may think it's gross, but you have to think, like, even if you're not dumpster diving for food, if you're dumpster diving for stuff, think about it. Like, think about how many people touch things in the store. Like, it's the same amount of germs, realistically. And I want to find stuff to be able to resell, and we'll be getting it for free to make money. That's really the whole point of it. So
that's what we're going to do today. So let's begin and roll these clips. Don't go anywhere, guys. We got dumpster diving in full effect.
yeah,
lot of boxes. We got to get out of here.
Ugh.
We're just trying to test the theory. Is it real to dumpster dive? What can we find? What's in that one?
Food? Can I see a glove?
A glove?
Yeah.
What'd you find so far?
A bunch of food that I do not want.
Expired products? So far, nothing. Babe, what'd you find me?
Crates.
Crates for the vending business. This one's Dollar General. You gotta bring those gloves in the stick. You gotta be.
The glove? Seems like empty bottles for when they do oil or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nothing else?
This is, I can't wait. This is too heavy.
What's that there?
This is the display.
Alrighty.
No
let's
luck
keep
yet, guys.
Let's keep it moving. Where you at? You find anything? What is it?
Cinnamon rolls.
Cinnamon rolls. That's my favorite, and they're unopened.
Yeah, and they're cold still.
They're not opened, guys. What do you guys think about dumpster diving for food? Is it good? Is it a safety hazard?
It doesn't expire until December 1st,
That's
2019.
crazy. We found something. All right.
What do you think? You want it?
Bring it on over. Family Dollar dumpster. We found some treats. We got dog treats. More dog treats. Woo! Yay, more dog treats. What'd you find in Family Dollar dumpster?
2 dog treats.
2
That
bags of
dumpster
dog
is
treats.
packed. I can't even.
That thing is stuffed, guys. Look at that. Jeez. Hey, you got 2 things of dog treats. So we got 2 things of dog treats, some crates,
Yep.
and some cinnamon rolls so far, guys. And we're still searching.
Let's go somewhere else.
All right. We're at Save-A-Lot. What are you going to find in here?
There's a bunch of bees. That's what I'm finding. Wow, look at all that Spanish bread.
Ooh. I don't know. Is there any unopened stuff? Ooh, donuts. See if those donuts are
There's
unopened.
2 donuts though.
Wow.
Can you hold it real quick?
Yeah. Awesome.
These bees are scaring me.
It's alright. Part of dumpster diving life. Can't be scared. Get that other one. Yeah. Alright, so what did we find in Save-A-Lot? We didn't take nothing, but...
Well, there was like 6 loaves of Spanish bread from the bakery, which is really weird.
That's rare.
There was 2 boxes of dozen glazed donuts. One had like a slice, and that's probably why they threw it out, but it wasn't all the way open. And then one wasn't open, but I couldn't find dates on them, so we just didn't take them to be safe.
Yeah, we don't want to eat expired product, guys. But
Yeah.
this dumpster diving has been fun. We're going to end it here, right, babe?
Well, we're going to check this one, but I'm pretty sure it's empty.
Yeah, we're going to check Dollar Tree real quick, guys. But It's pretty much going to end it for this trip. Episode 1 of dumpster diving.
I've been dying to do this, and if you are like loyal subscribers, you will know in a live that we did a couple months ago, I said to Babe, I'm like, yep, you guys are going to see us in the dumpster spraying zone. And he was like, no, but
stay tuned for more. All right, guys, it was a long day. We came up with a couple things, you know, some dog treats and some cinnamon rolls and some crates. But that's it, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Peace. Peace.